Hey guys, allow me to apologize for the framing in this video. I took it in portrait when I was doing the clips and not landscape like this, so it's gonna switch back and forth. I'll try to pay more attention, and I'll be better at, well, I try to say I'll be better at narrating my clips and stuff, but it is what it is, guys. So bear with me, all right? Tiber, Resistance Homesteading. Today, this is for another long form video. I am working on rabbit cages. You can see I have some 4-foot hardware cloth right there. I've got a Nancy waving in the background. Right here, I've got 3-foot runners for the side, 21-inch braces for the inside. So that'll make it 2 foot by 3 foot. So I have over here some 2 foot. I'm going to cut a 3-foot section, lay it over my box, and then dome the 4-foot wire, and then square the ends for the door. You'll see what I'm talking about as I move along, but I'm just showing you the general outline right now. I'll take another clip, another clip, and another clip. Bam, you'll see what I'm doing. We need to get our rabbit situation taken care of, and since we are planning on breeding them for various purposes, we need a lot of housing for them, and this is an efficient way to build housing fairly cheaply. This wood right here, I actually picked up scrap. It was in front of a guy's house. I seen it on the side of the road. Had quite a crown or curve in it, and but when you cut it short like this and screw it together, it works fine. Eventually I want to set up an automatic drip watering system for the rabbits as well, but that's down the road. You know, I've got so many projects going on at the same time. I'm just trying to get them, knock them out, because we have to be ready come winter time. That's the bottom line. So back to work. Okay, guys. So now we're at this stage, right? I've got the bottom built. It's 2 foot by 3 foot. Okay. So once you got that done, you got to have a brace in the middle. You got to have a brace in the middle for the wire. So I'll show you the next step in a minute. Okay, guys, last one for the night. You see that I've got it meshed, stapled down, right? But you see the extra roll? Okay. See that angle grinder cutoff wheel? Zip, gone. That's how you do that. All right. So now you got your frame, the mesh on the bottom of your frame. What I did was I took a piece of 4 foot and I cut it to length, and then I hooped it, right? And then you can see I wired it together all the way down. And now I'm taking another piece of 2 foot and I'm just reinforcing the end here. And then on the other end, I'm going to do the same, but then I'll have just a wire mesh gate that I can lift up and down to get the rabbits in and out. This is more of a temporary rabbit carrier, transport carrier, clean the cage, move them around type of cage for them. But we needed something so I can get to work on their big hutch to make improvements on that. So this is what I'm using, and maybe that'll give you guys some ideas. So now that I've got it all wired together, all the excess has been cut off, I'm going to now cut a hole right here that I'm just going to cover with some hardware mesh that is going to have loops to attach it. Nancy over there being a goofball. Nightcap with Nancy, yeah. So anyway, last but not least, just a simple wire hanger latches. And this one's tight, and then it's wired up there at the top. So there's the gate to get them in and out. Like I said, it's really just a transport, you know, storage when they're cleaning their cages and stuff. So, all right, that's that project.